So, hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and say thank you to, well, a huge thanks to all the people that have supported me throughout writing my upcoming book that is launching, I'm assuming next week, which I'm super excited about. And so, You Choose Your Outfit is very personal and something that I think that a lot of us, myself included, should start talking more about. Um, Personally, I don't often talk about, creating your reality and some of the things that I have gone through in my life because it might seem a little esoteric to some people. But honestly, I think it's important to start talking about it. And why not? Just changing the conversation a little bit. So I wanted to kind of just say, thank you to everyone that supported me on this journey of writing this book and actually getting it to launch. It's been a journey for me and somewhat of a self discovery as well, because for me, having to reflect back on some of the things that have occurred in my life and actually trying to articulate it in a way that I felt like people could understand was, um, I wouldn't say a challenge, but it was quite interesting. I'll say that. I'll say it was very interesting to actually put things into words and some of the things that I felt. But if you do not know, Choose Your Outfit is about creating your dream life, creating your experience and creating the reality that is you. And um, so the metaphor of being the designer of your life, the stylist of your life, and choosing the outfit that you wish to wear and how to present yourself to the world is really your world. The world really is your oyster. And so yeah, I just wanted to do a video real quick on that. Yeah, I'm so excited, and huge thanks to everyone that supported me on this journey. I so appreciate it. And I'm going to leave the link below for the book if you're interested in learning more about the book when it launches and all of those things. Obviously, you'll hear from me when it launches. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you because it really, really does mean a lot to me to have your support and have people in my corner. And that really means a lot to me. So anyways, you guys, that's all for this video.